What is happening, fellas? We are out on a little pond out in the mountains here, and we are with my buddy at a fish. He's up there somewhere. I don't know if you can see him. No, that's not him. Anyway, so we got a pretty good strong wind coming. I'd say gusts are about 20 miles an hour. I think that's what it said on the app. Looks like it's coming from the west, and we're just gonna be throwing moving baits today. I got a chatterbait, a swim jig, and a spinnerbait tied on. So that's what this guy recommended. So we're just gonna go with his baits for today, and we're gonna just cover some water, try to get some fish in the boat. So let's get at it. There we go. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Got one. You're on, buddy. You're on. Yeah. The skunk is beaten. Oh, it feels good to catch a fish. It feels good to catch a fish, man. Look at that. Little guy, but he ate that thing pretty good. He came back for it. Felt him bite once, but came back and ate it again. Thank you, my good friend. It's the first open water fish of the year. Look at that. It's a coyote. Yeah. That's number 2, baby. Locked in. Locked in. Come here, baby. Uh-oh. Ho ho ho. Haha, look at that. Number 2, baby. Number 2. Look at that. Nice fish right there. Thank you. Yeah, buddy. Dude, you suck. You can't even net that little fish, bro. Yeah, I know. That's true, yeah. Oh, buddy. He's running towards me. I had to catch up to him, buddy. Oh, buddy. Well, I guess that's better than no fish, right? But not my favorite to take care of. Come here. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Pickerel for him too. Doesn't count, buddy. You didn't touch the boat.
I don't want it.
Gotta count it, buddy. Dude, those are such underrated fish, bro.
Big ones are underrated.
No, everyone is underrated.
Tournament, there's an online tournament.
For just pickerel?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh god, is it like countrywide because nobody wants to do it?
Statewide.
Jesus. Right at the boat. Oh, it's a big kahuni, buddy. It's a big kahuni. It's a big kahuni. Come here, mama. It's a freaking monster, bro. Put up a good fight, man. That's all I can say for this little guy right here. So that's number 4 for me. 3 bass and 1 pickerel. Nice little fish right there. Guess what time it is? Swim jig time, buddy.
Why'd you switch? Oh, okay.
Really? Dude, they're good. 5-inch Shadden. How fast can that thing go? How fast can that thing go? Go as fast as you can. Damn, buddy.
Oh, dude, no! Oh my god, get in there, Connor,
Dude.
what are you doing?
I'm getting in, buddy. I'm getting in, buddy. Where?
Remember we were catching the shower?
What's up?
Remember we were catching the shower?
Yeah, I remember. I was just casting parallel to the bank, though. But I guess it doesn't matter too much. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a decent one. Feels it now. He's not too bad. Neat. Dude, they fight hard in here, man. Honestly,
How big is it?
it's like a pounder. You were right. Cast right at that shore, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Look at that lip. Look at that lip.
That's like the biggest one of the day, is it not?
You think so?
I mean, it has a nice belly.
Yeah.
In me.
Thank you. It's getting real late here, but got another one. I think this is number 5 for me. Nice guy. Look at that. Beautiful. Good bite.
No, they are. You know how much those glasses were?
How much?
$20.
Those?
Yeah, they're great.
You know, you used to get the Yum Dingers. Remember those?
Oh my god, I still have a picture of you with that.
Dude, those are styled. Those are the style right there. Like those are the new Ray-Bans.
Oh wait, no, that was the video where you were messing with my GoPro.
Yeah. Does it still work? GoPro, stop recording.
No, I turned it off.
Oh, you. And now you can't turn it on. GoPro, pause. When are you going?
I think it could be a good bite tomorrow.
You think so?
Yeah, Fitzgerald. Get you that Santa sleigh.
Oh, I love the Santa sleigh.
Get in there.
I love me a Santa sleigh.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, there we go, buddy.
Oh boy.
Right on the water, buddy. She wanted it.
Oh. Hold on a sec.
You think it's a good one?
That. Oh,
No.
it's a
You think it's a pickerel?
I think it is. Where did you hook
No, buddy. I'm locked in.
Did you just hook him there? Hell yeah.
Oh, buddy. We're having a good day. This definitely beats all those times I went out and got nothing. We're having a good day today. Thank you, buddy. Oh, I just cast it over you.
Oh my god.
What?
He's coming back.
Cast at him. Hey! This is our spot, buddy. Go find your own spot.
I think. The only thing that goes down there is the roof. Bassmaster Classic Day 3 is tomorrow.
Are you...
Bassmaster Classic is coming?
Yeah, it's a tournament.
Biggest bass tournament on the entire planet.
Are you watching it?
I'm thinking I'm gonna watch it tomorrow while we're fishing.
While you're fishing?
Yeah, Oh yeah.
Locked in, buddy.
Number 6. Oh yeah.
Oh! Come here, buddy.
Get him, son.
Hailed it. Wow! Nice little bass right there. Thank you.
Hold that John up.
Look at that John.
Yeah, look at that John.
Look at that John. I think that's like number 8 or something.
Oh, no, you're on fire today.
Yeah, I've been catching them.
Abo Fishing, Out Fishing NF.
Dude, had to happen one day.
No! Fuck! Connor! 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 Oh shit! Oh my god, look at this rain coming! Oh jeez. Here, get the rods. Or just lift that up for yourself.